Welcome back. Let's make figs and cream from Food and Wine Magazine. Grab 12 to 15 figs, and all you're going to do is slice them in half lengthwise and then into quarters. Next up, the labne. This is a thick yogurt cheese, and it's very popular in Mediterranean cuisine. So onto a plate it goes. Spread it out into an even layer. Working from the outside in, place the figs cut side down, season with kosher salt and some pepper, drizzle with olive oil. This right here is carob syrup. As for the flavor, hints of chocolate. So drizzle that over the top. Then, toasted hazelnuts, sprinkle with black and white sesame seeds, and there we have it. Figs and cream from Food and Wine Magazine. That's it for today, guys. Drop a like and a comment below. Subscribe if you're new. I'll see you next time.